Hi, welcome to new video showing the extended postprocessors for Homag machines. These postprocessors offer the option to turn on the generation of long NC codes as a Polygon Macros. Why this option? With the bulky MPR files, there is often long time to load data into the machine and also into the WoodWop. This functionality converts these paths into the Polygon Macros, which do not suffer from this problem, and even very large MPR files are loaded very quickly into the machine and WoodWop. The problem with older machines is often jerky movements during machining. Based on my experience, when using this macro, the speed is very smooth when 3D machining. Now we can continue with the practical example. I have two operation. One is adaptive logging with higher tolerance, which make a code longer, and some 3D machining. After loading my postprocessors, you will get next menu when you can set if the operation will be as a PLY or no. So there is set yes. So okay, and the same I will set there, so output is PLY, okay. Now we can generate the code. So the postprocess and the PLY output WoodWop and generate the code. When we open the WoodWop for loading a file, so file open and PLY file and open, you can see that it was loaded very fast. You can of course change anything inside okay, thanks for the attention, and if you will have a question about it, or if you will want it, you can see my my notes under the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.